Not all wallets support all currencies. It is common for different cryptocurrencies to offer their own wallets. So make sure that your wallet is compatible with the coin or coins that you want to trade in. There are hundreds of coins to choose from, each very unique in framework and purpose. You may choose to just focus on one coin. Bitcoin is the most popular, for example, or you may be interested in trying out a few options. And if this is the case, there are wallets available that allow for multi-currency use. Wallet privacy is a very tricky area. Your wallet won't be linked to your real identity. It gets an alias. However, as I've mentioned, all transactions are stored on the blockchain. And they are, by the very nature of blockchain technology, permanent and public. So technically, your wallet address could be traced to your real identity, although this is unlikely. And don't worry too much, because there are projects underway to increase privacy and move towards full anonymity. There are different types of wallets which we will be discussing in an upcoming section. How you want to use your wallet will affect which wallet you will need to choose. You may even want to consider multiple wallet types. Dividing your coins into more than one wallet is considered safer. Here are some common situations to consider. If you intend making everyday purchases that are small and frequent, then consider an online or software wallet. Just put the amount that you will need on this wallet and keep the rest in a more secure option, like a hardware wallet. If you plan on saving up and making infrequent but larger transactions, then a hardware wallet is a better fit. If you plan on playing on a cryptocurrency exchange, then use an online wallet. But be careful though, and only put the amount that you are planning to trade with in this wallet. Is saving your intention, and do you only need storage? If so, hardware or paper is probably what you will be using. The security of your wallet depends on the type of wallet you choose. Online wallets have proven to be the most vulnerable wallet option because the data is stored on a web server. You can be exposed to vulnerabilities which can be exploited by hackers trying to steal your funds. Offline wallets aren't connected to an online network, so hacking isn't an issue for this type of wallet. Regardless of the type of wallet you choose, you must take steps to protect yourself and your money. Remember, your private keys are unique to you, and if somebody else should get them, they will have access to all the coins associated with that key. There is no way around the problem of losing your keys. If you lose your keys, you lose your money. So you need to be really careful who you send money to. If a transaction is made in error, or you get hacked or scammed, there is no way to reverse the transaction. It is worth stating again that blockchain technology prides itself on being tamper-proof and permanent. Only store small amounts online for everyday use. Keep the rest in a more secure wallet. Back up your wallet with what is considered cold or offline storage options, which will allow you to recover your wallet if it is lost, stolen, or there is a computer failure. Regularly update your wallet software, your computer and mobile device. You need to ensure that all your devices have the latest security upgrades. Set long and complex passwords. Don't forget to make sure a password is needed to withdraw funds. And research your wallet options carefully and choose those that have a solid reputation and provide extra security, such as two-factor authentication.